we were talking about how to turn on the configurations for Siri. As far as training Siri to let Siri know the relationships within your contacts. For example, if I wanted to assign or let Siri know who my wife is within my contacts, I would issue the command and just give the person's name and then say their relationship to you. So for example, you would say, blah, blah, Bob
Yeah.
is my husband, or Amy is my wife. And then Siri will then store that in contacts. Siri will then know that you are their husband, they're your husband or they're your wife or daughter or son, etc. Okay. Then when you execute a command, you could then issue the command, blah, blah, call or text my wife. Siri will then know that that person is your wife, and they will either call them or text them via the contacts app. There's other things, of course, you can do with Siri. Perhaps, hopefully, many of you are familiar with the functions of Siri. Siri can set an alarm for you. They can set reminders for you. They can go into your calendar app and schedule appointments, all based on your verbal commands. Okay, so that covers Siri.